everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to record slow motion video on an Honor 600 Pro. To record in slow motion, first you have to go into your camera app, video, then more, and here you have slow-mo. You can choose from two settings, 120 fps and 240 fps, and of course 1 and 2 times zoom. And those videos are shown here. This is in 240 fps. And this is 120 fps. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.